Are you going to study at Fontys? Then you have to pay the tuition fee. Don't worry, you can arrange that easily and securely through Studielink with digital authorization. After you register with Studielink, you will issue an authorization through your bank. Then Fontys will automatically debit the tuition fee from your account. Will you pay in installments? Then the first debit is made at the end of the month in which you start your study program. You can see the payments if you check your payment information in Studielink. That way you know exactly where you stand. Do you pay the tuition in one lump sum? Then you only see the date the tuition is debited from your bank account. You can easily enter your payment information in Studielink. Click at the top of the page or on the To-Do button, then click Enter Payment Information. Then choose whether you pay yourself or someone else has to pay for you, and choose whether to pay in one lump sum or in installments. Are you under 18? Then you can't issue a digital authorization and someone else has to pay for you. Fill in your payment information and don't forget to put 2 check marks at Consent, one more click on Digital Authorization, and you're almost done. You will now be redirected to your online banking environment, which you recognize. There you give permission to Fontys to debit the tuition fee, just like when buying a sports subscription, for example. Now you are done. You will receive a confirmation by email and in your Studielink account. Useful to know, the authorization is valid for all the years you study with us. Each year we will send you a reminder to validate your payment information. Does anything change in between? You can always update your information. Quite easy, right? Do you have any questions? Email or call us or visit fontys.nl/en/tuition fees.